Hey, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Clearwater, Florida. I am at the soon-to-open collection on Palmetto Foundation. You can find that on Facebook, Instagram, Google Maps. Probably open in a couple months. This car just got added to the collection. It is a 1908, and I believe it's pronounced Schacht. I just put, let's see, about 7 hours into this detail. This car was in a barn. It was incredibly dusty and dirty, and it also was very greasy. And the owner really wanted me to get, everything really up to snuff on the underside and work my way up. So I just kind of pushed it into the sun here. Forgive me if I'm a little bit out of focus, as it is so bright to my back here with the setting sun. Well, setting, it's about 3 o'clock. But anyway, I'm just going to, I took you around. There's a part 1 to this video, and this will be part 2. This will be the after. So what I did was, with a series of brushes, rags, different degreasers and all-purpose cleaners, I just started down at these linkages and was able to get everything. I know my light right here isn't the greatest, but everything really came out nice. I got up underneath the car. I got everything cleaned up in here. I also went into this compartment and got into some of the nitty-gritty with the gearing. It's a cool little snap feature there. I also started at the top and vacuumed before that was actually the first thing I did. Got some of the grease and grime just away from the gearing. This has 2 cables that drive the rear wheels. Everything came out beautiful and nice with all of this. There is some very fragile paint work. Did lose a little bit of paint. Tried to be as absolutely careful as I could, but someone has done some, hand painting. It was nice in its day whenever it was done, but it was done a long time ago, and the paint, especially on some of the wood, like this car sits on 2 wood frames. Here's one right down the center right here. Just very fragile paint work. You can see right here, it was really, before I did anything, it was very, it was peeling paint. So the owner said, no worries, everything's going to get taken care of, and there'll be a repaint on this at some point. But everything came out absolutely beautiful. I did kind of a combination of a regular standard wash and a rinseless wash. I didn't want to get water up on this wooden carriage. It's very fragile. It's got cracking lines. I try to be ultra observant of where there are very, fragile areas of the car. So I kept the hose and the degreasers and things all to the minimum down below, and then came up here. Got a nice, beautiful steering wheel there. It is basically a carriage. And here is the floor mat, which I think is very cool. And I showed in part 1, this is Cincinnati, Ohio. The lights are from Cincinnati, Ohio. So anyway, I just thank you for taking a view of this. If you know someone who likes antique cars, give them a share, give me a thumbs up, comment if you like, comment if you don't like. Thanks for being part of my channel. I do appreciate it. Until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful.